Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing a Speakercraft in-ceiling speaker in their profile series, their profile AIM8 II. Now the models and serial numbers of these often are difficult to get your head around, but it's actually straightforward. This is a profile series, so that's designed to sit for basic music around people's home. It's a flat design. 8 tells me it's an 8-inch and 2 is delineating the quality of the components and main drivers used. So the 2, 3, 5, etc. is telling us the quality range. The 8 is telling us the size. AIM and profile tells us a little bit more about what it's going to be used for in the home. Now each of these is boxed in an individual brown box. This is clearly not designed to sit in a showroom and be shown off. It's designed to be sitting out the back. Any good hi-fi store's got these set up ready for demonstration anyway, so there's no need to see it in its packaging, hence why it's very muted. The packaging does its job, and that is to protect this product in transit, tell us what's on it, so we can pack it away, get it in the van, and get it into people's houses really, really quickly. So, having a look. Simple factory seals. Very straightforward to open, exposing a little bit of protection in the top, so that if somebody perhaps ran a craft knife through things a little bit deep, they're unlikely to damage the product beneath. There's a warranty card and other basic information, along with some recommendations as far as how to install these. There's the classic cutout template, and this is a very basic one. It's just a simple pull away, gives you the circle design, and away you go. This template is for any of their 8-inch series speakers. From there it's very straightforward because the packaging has done what it needs to, which is bring this product to us. They've opted for a polystyrene free and 100% recyclable packaging, and that's excellent. There's enough polystyrene in our environment, so good to see they've made some choices there. Okay, now the grill is magnetic, and you'll see that it's attached within the plastic bag. Some of the other series has the grill separate, enabling us to get the grill out and protect it perhaps during installation. This one, a simple nick, we get the speaker out and we take the grill from there. Now this speaker is an 8-inch, so it's relatively large, but it is at the budget end of the Speakercraft range, so it's good to see an immediate sign of quality right there. Okay, the grill itself is easy to remove, and it has a diffusement inside to ensure that if there's any light penetration through, you're not going to have any issues with that. You're not going to see the driver from the ceiling. Now immediately you'll see a plastic protection cover. Now these are easy to remove and of course do two things. They help protect the product in freight, but most importantly, if this is installed and then the ceiling is sprayed or painted, no flecks of paint are going to affect the drive unit. That's an important and key feature. They've given this to us to ensure that it's nice for us to be able to install and get on with our job, knowing that that grill is going to protect it from any paint. The driver itself, they use an array here to ensure that the sound is dispersed properly. It's unique to Speakercraft, they've patented it, and they top it up with a directional tweeter to ensure that if these are sort of set back a little bit, we can bring the tweeter or the directional sounds towards you. There are some exposed magnets in some of their better range, see those magnets on the underside, but it's part of things that they have to do to ensure that this product meets such a tight price point, and it's wonderful, wonderful value. They have classic dog legs with the ability to grip the jib very well, and the process is very straightforward as far as its installation. They have an ability to attenuate the tweeter plus or minus 3 dB, hence the little switch that you see here, and everything is protected at the rear with a plastic enclosure. The binding posts feature a Speakercraft logo. These are good spring to them, so as far as installing it, it's very straightforward. Cables in, release, and away you go. Some of the quality of the components is quite obvious, and please hang around for some of the photographs where I'll show you some close-ups of these, but also the quality of the bits that you will see as well. Okay, so nice and simple. This Speakercraft AIM8 in-ceiling speaker unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.